This beautiful subterranean architecture which you are watching is called Nagakunda or Cobra Pond. It is situated in Sudi Village of Gadag district in Karnataka. The Nagakunda or step wells of this type are probably a unique experimental exploration of subterranean architecture and represent our ancestors' knowledge of geology and water management systems since the early 10th century. Most step wells or Cobra Pond of this type are in the western part of India, mainly in the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. The step wells of Gujarat are well known. There are many such structures in south part of India too, but they are not properly recognized. This Nagakunda is one of them. It is called as Rastabavi by localites. This pond has stairs from all four sides in 3 levels. Walls have pattern of miniature, decorative cut pillars are also present. Not just in Karnataka, we can say that this Nagakunda is one of the best pond in India. In the inscriptions it is said that this pond is so equally popular as Manasa Sarovara. It is the feast for the eyes if it is filled with water and if made arrangement of lighting around it. There is a difference between these step wells and the Pushkarni or Kalyani. Pushkarnis are near the temple, but the step wells are more isolated. You can notice it.